Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Spotify on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Spotify is the best, most popular music streaming service in the world, but if you look for it in the Mac App Store, you'll find it isn't available. Let's check it on App Store. You can't find Spotify in here. See? There's no Spotify when you search for it on the App Store. So, what are your options if you're a music loving Mac owner? In this video, I will show you how to download Spotify for Mac and how to get the most out of it. It's very simple. So, you can install Spotify on the browser. You can open your Google Chrome. Now, you can search for Spotify. Like this. The Spotify Mac. Now, this one, you can just click on it. Spotify for Mac. Now we can just click on download. You can wait until download is finished. Now it's finished. You can open the file, the zip file. Okay, this is the app. You can open it. Click on open. Now we can wait until downloading is finished. It's still loading. So after you download Spotify for your Mac, you can listening to music using these apps. You can wait. It takes a little bit longer. You have to make sure that your internet is in a good condition if you want to download something on your MacBook. If you want to install apps, especially. So you can also hear Spotify from your website on your browser, but it's more easier using the apps. You can download it first on your MacBook. You can follow this step by step like this. And if you want to use the website, you can just search like this. And you can play it like this. You can start listening music on Spotify on your MacBook through the website. Like this. It's very simple, right? You can hear Spotify using your MacBook without you don't need to install the app. But if you want to install the app, you can follow this step by step. Let's see. I will close the website. Here's the website. Let's close it. I think we finished. Now we can log in to your Spotify account. If you already have the Spotify account, you can just tap on login, or you can scan the barcode to log in. I will try to scan the barcode because I have I already have the app. We'll try to log in. Wait. Okay, we can log in. We can just wait. Now I'm pairing my account to this app. And here you go. Here's your Spotify apps on your MacBook. It's a simple, right? Now you can start listening any music from here. So that is how to download Spotify on MacBook. It's very simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.